Rajeshwari, and big hello to all the Surabhi listeners and viewers. I hope all of you are fine. I know it's probably not the best question to ask, but it is out of concern, and I think it is only a matter of time before all of us come out of this difficult phase.
I really like the way you said it's just a matter of time, and yeah, we hope the same too. And how have you been? How are you doing, Karthik?
I've been uh, so the way I look at it is there are always situations in life, and you choose to uh, make it work for you, right?
Good.
So you can always look at a situation in a good way or a bad way. However, having said that, we're all blessed because we don't have to worry about our resources. We don't have to worry about uh, our next meal or where we're going to eat and sleep, right?
Rightly said.
Therefore,
Yes.
I therefore I use my time to learn a lot more in music, which is what I've been doing, like voraciously learning for the last 1 month.
Wow.
Uh, yes, so yeah, there is, the concern is for people who cannot do that, who have to take care of other important things on a daily basis. I know it's extremely difficult for them, but for us, I think for me, it's been much better. I really have to thank the one above, and I've just been busy writing music the last month.
It's awesome, awesome to hear. And you said it so rightly, right? We don't have to worry about our next meal. We don't have to worry about a shelter, our family. We're all together. At least we are in one place. Yeah, that is
Absolutely.
so right.
So whenever possible, the little that I can do, is that I just go online, and I've done a couple of 2 or 3 of these fundraisers where,
I was going
uh,
to ask you about it.
yeah. So however I can chip in, whatever little money, so it's gone to the PM Cares Fund, something that I did for an organization in London, something else that I did for a media company here, and so we're doing our best. That's how we can, as artists, I think, yeah, we can give it.
Not just as artists, but you have I've been following you in social media, and fortunately I had one opportunity to MC one of your events, and since then I've been even more following you because I saw you so closely that time, right? I mean, we all love you as a singer, your songs, the kind of impact that you have created. Karthik's song is like అదొక different magic create చేస్తుంటుంది మాకు. So beyond that, I saw you last time మనం కలిసి ఆ ఈవెంట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీతోటి how passionate you are just about that art form, your dedication, being a star yourself, being in the position that you are today. I mean, if you had so many situations where you could have actually taken it easy, you could have just let go of things and then relax, but you did not do that. You were like on your toes. You were so dedicated. How does it come, Kartika? I was like so amazed looking at you that day on stage.
I think I have to answer you from, I think, multiple dimensions, but I'll keep it short. I think first of all, it comes down to your outlook towards your life. I might sound very at the risk of sounding very philosophical, but these are things that I believe in. Is that
Philosophy is not bad. It's
I'm
good.
like I'm like you, you're like me, we are like everybody else, right? We all do different things to live, to survive, to enjoy, and most of us uh, do things because we have to do. Some of us get lucky because we also do what we love to do. And I acknowledge the fact that I fall in that bracket because I love music and this drives me like crazy, right? I also make money. I also meet people. I also get so much love from all of you. Uh, I cannot ask for a better life, right? So when I have that, then what do I do? When with the universe bless me, call it God, universe, luck, whatever it is, whatever we believe in. But something has given this to me and I have not worked for it. So all I can do is, for as long as I'm alive, just nurture that or cherish it and make the best of it, which is what I do. I think there's nothing more. I would be silly if I don't do that. And I am the loser. It's nobody else. It's not the world. It's not the universe, right? So I think it's just this realization. And the whole deal of I am a star and today and this, I just don't believe in all that. I think it's all one. It's an unreal. They say Maya. I believe in Maya. So it's just nothing real. What is real is I am here. I am talking to you, and that's it. This is what is real at this moment, right? We don't know what's going to happen 1 hour later. So uh, and what has happened has happened. There's nothing you can do about it. So if I say I sang so many songs, I won so many awards, so what? It's all over. What am I doing right now? What am I going to do to make life better for me and the world around me tomorrow is all I can control, right? So and tomorrow we don't even know. So back to the point, it's just the present, and that's all that matters. Just put the right energies out and stay happy. That's it. That's how I keep my life simple.
Said it so simply, but it's in practicality in real life. To be like how you are talking about is not that easy. To be not getting carried away with the Maya that you were referring to, it's not that easy, and many people fall into
It's
that
not,
trap.
no, I'm saying it's not, it's easier said, but I'm saying there are, you go through a journey and all of us, we all go through experiences in life, and nobody is perfect. You learn, you just learn from it, you become wiser, you try to become wiser, you try to learn. And then hope that somewhere these things fall in place in your head and, you take care of yourself. That's what it is. We're all trying, trust me.
Yeah.
Nobody is arrived. If we all arrived, I feel like a saint or something, yeah.
So like I said, I was following you on social media, and I was like waiting for a chance when I talk to you next, and I can ask you this question. I saw you. There is this visually challenged person who's a huge fan of yours. I saw that you went to their place, you met her, you spent time, you sang songs for her. That is so amazing, Karthik. That really touched me. I'm sure it was the most precious thing that you could give to somebody that loved you.
Isn't it?
Talk to us about that experience.
Absolutely. I mean, I am very happy that I got to know her, that she is around, and I could do this immediately. Uh, I think empathy is so important in life. For a second, if we put ourselves in another human being's shoes, I think we'll see their side of the story. Having said that, I know all of us have stories, but it's just that uh, you care about the world around you. And the moment you start doing that, you are a lot more receptive to what is happening around you, and you want to react sometimes in a beautiful way to make a difference to somebody else. So all you can do is I keep telling my people why we artists are lucky, especially musicians, especially vocalists, is because we have, I won't say we, I think we are the instrument through which there is this power to make 2,000 people, 1,000 people, 5,000 people, 50,000 people smile at the same time, It's not we. I mean, we are just the instrument. But we are the chosen instruments, and
I was about to say, yeah.
that is such a beautiful blessing, right? So you got to go use it. Make as many people smile as you can. I think that's what matters at the end of the day.
Wow. Yeah, that is so true. So true. Karthik, you sang in Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi, and so many. In each language, you sang so many songs, so many hits you gave. And every time you sing a song in a certain language, that language owns you. Like the people of the language, they own you. We feel like తెలుగులో పాడితే మాకు మా తెలుగు వాళ్ళే పాడుతున్నట్టుగా ఉంటుంది.
Okay,
How do you manage that?
so again, I don't want to make this a big deal. I think it's
No, you're being too humble. I
no,
mean,
but
so
I'll tell you.
we need to know those things so that the next generation can get inspired by that.
I think it's of course it stems from the fact that whatever you do, you want to do it well and be sincere. I think that is the bottom line. Uh, but to me, I think it's always been it's just that how some people are good at math. So some people are, I think, good with phonetics and language, and I think I got lucky. I think that's all that there is to it. And I write in Hindi, and I write in Tamil. So what I figured to my little brain is that once you know one South Indian language and Devanagari or Sanskrit or Hindi, whatever, I think you can pretty much crack any language, any Indian language, because it's all derived from it, right? So the most of the phonetics are borrowed, some are original.
Yeah,
So, like a chusya, that sya is not there in Telugu. I mean, it's not there in Tamil, Kannada, or Malayalam.
it
It's
isn't
not there in
Telugu.
Hindi as well. So that's something I had to understand.
Yeah, yeah.
Like a cano in Bengali, it's not there. That a is not there in any other language.
Other
South.
languages. Yeah, yeah.
Like there are Tamil has certain syllables which are not there in Malayalam and Telugu, so on and so forth. So you just need to pick those. Like Malayalam, there is the na, vannu, where there are these weird things which have evolved over years, right? Centuries, right? So once you understand that, the rest falls in place. That's it.
There are very few singers who do that actually. So many singers sing in multi languages, but then very few singers who sound authentic in that sound.
I got
Okay.
lucky, as I said.
No, we got lucky. Okay, can we hear a song from you?
Sure.
I mean, I wanted to ask you right in the beginning, but then as we were talking, the setup and everything, I just got carried away into your journey, the kind of person you are, and all that stuff. So can we hear one beautiful song? Anything from your choice?
నిజంగా నేనేనా ఇలా నీ జతలో ఉన్నా ఇదంతా ప్రేమేనా ఎంతో వింతలు చూస్తున్నా ఎదలో ఎవరో చేరి అన్నీ చేస్తున్నారా వెనకే ఉంటూ నీపై నన్నే తోస్తున్నారా హరే 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 రామ మరి ఇలా ఎలా వచ్చేసింది ధీమా ఎంతో హుషారుగా ఉన్నది లోన ఏమా
బ్యూటిఫుల్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
వాయిస్ మూవీలో మీరు పాడిన పాట నుంచి ఇప్పుడు రీసెంట్ గా మీకు వచ్చిన పాటల దాకా కూడా, నాని మూవీస్ కి మీరు పాడిన ఈ పాటల దాకా కూడా అదే ఇన్నసెన్స్ ఇన్ దట్ వాయిస్, దట్ ఫ్రెష్నెస్ ఇన్ దట్ వాయిస్, అది ఏమీ చేంజ్ అవ్వలేదు, అలాగే ఉంది. అండ్ యూ ఈచ్ టైమ్ యూ సింగ్ ద సాంగ్, కొన్ని చాలా పాటలు మీరు పాడినవి దే ఆర్ సో పాపులర్ దట్ ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ ఏజ్, ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ జెండర్, పీపుల్ కీప్ హమ్మింగ్ దోస్ సాంగ్స్ always. And definitely ఇప్పుడు మీరు పాడిన పాట is one of that category.
Absolutely. I think the song has a beautiful smile to it and it makes people smile. I think that's,
Yeah.
we all love to smile and be happy, right? So I think
Yeah.
that's,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
But I have to tell you this, Adishwari, big, big loads of love to all my Telugu speaking fans. I know there's so much love that I get from all of them, and big thanks to them for accepting me the way I am, and for supporting with so much love. I think it means everything to me. I really want to tell this. Yeah.
Nice of you to say that. Yeah, we all also love you. That is given, and it will be, you know, it's our privilege to,
Thank you.
when talking to you like this and then listening to your song, and I mean it's beautiful.
Thank
Okay,
you.
can I ask you one question here? So you have worked with so many different music directors. Let's just talk about Telugu, because my Telugu show, Telugu audience. So of course we all listen to other music, but still. So Telugulo మీరు వర్క్ చేసిన మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్స్ అందరిలోకి, who is the music director that you found to be really challenging to work with?
Ante, I think more than a composer, it comes down to the music, most importantly. Of course, there are composers where there is a lot of respect because of the age, because of their experience, and because of the kind of work they've done. Like, for instance, Keerwani Garu.
Yeah.
There's immense respect for Keerwani Garu. Not that there is no respect for the others, but just the fact that he is so senior and he's such a fantastic musician.
Yeah, the kind of musician he is, the way he composes the tunes.
Yeah, absolutely. And so that way, but and Mani Garu, Mani Sharma Garu and all, it's like I think when I started singing, he was so kind enough to believe in me, and he gave me songs.
Mani Garu is the one who introduced you to Telugu industry, right?
Telugu, yes. I mean, I love him. I mean, I have to thank him. Mani Garu and DSP. We all started. So DSP, it was all around 2002, 2001, 3. At that time.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. We remember.
So that is when So DSP called me for songs. Mani Garu called me for songs. I mean, if they'd not done that, I wouldn't be here today, right? So, yeah, Keerwani Garu, all of them. At that time, Vande Mataram Garu. I don't want to miss out people, because these are the people who.
So many people. You sang for Mickey J. Taman. so many.
Mickey, Taman, absolutely. So Mickey started a little later, I think around
Yeah,
5.
yeah,
Taman was much later.
yeah.
But my early 2000s was Rahman sir, Raja sir,
Haris
Manigaru,
Jayaraj, right?
hmm?
Haris Jayaraj garu kuda kada.
Harris sir, of course, yes. Oh,
Beautiful music.
till
Yeah,
today, yes, yeah.
yeah.
It's
Uh,
beautiful.
can I ask you to sing one song from Kiravani Gari music?
Sure.
Okkariki-
I could do, which one? Oh, Nadradina, is it?
yeah, yeah,
Oh, I love that song, right? Yeah.
yeah. I know that.
Nadradina, 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 నచ్చిన దాని కోసం నా తపన నాదృధేనా 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 విచ్చిన పూల సందేశం విననా సీతాకోక చిలిక రెక్కల్లోన ఉలికి వర్ణాలన్న చిలికి హోలీ ఆడనా నాదృధేనా నాదృధేనా నాదృధేనా. Yeah.
Beautiful. I really love this song. It is so different from regular melodies.
It is. I
The-
remember. So there are these songs for us. We do so much music, but there are certain songs, certain recording sessions we clearly remember because, like for instance, I remember which studio we recorded at what time of the day and the whole
Ah,
experience. Yeah, because when I heard the tune in the studio, I said, "Wow, sir, what is this?" You know that certain songs stand out forever beyond time, right?
this is. I mean, in fact, many such songs in this movie, and there's another movie, Anukokunda Okroju. That movie also. He did very different music.
Correct.
Uh,
Yeah.
I love his music. Okay, so is there any particular incident or any particular song that is very dear to you? Like whenever you think of Telugu songs or Telugu song recordings, that is there a particular song or a situation or a music anything it can be something that gives
There
you
are, there are
immense
a few.
happiness?
There are a few. But if you want me to bring it down to one, it's tough. But the one I could straight away remember now is,
Anything, any
I'd say, Arere from Happy Days. Oh, my friend from Happy Days. I think
yeah,
Happy Days is a very important album for me personally because uh, I know it was all over. Uh,
it was all over. Yeah, it was a huge hit.
among the Telugu people. Yes, it is just all over. I know that, and in a beautiful way because the music is so simple, soft, beautiful. No fuss about anything, and it was a little unconventional for at that time. I remember.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Easy, right? And the beautiful words. It was a very beautiful film. I still remember. So because I get on stage today, and then people still want those songs. So uh, I think that was, and I won the Filmfare and all that. A lot of awards for that album. So I mean, thanks to Mickey. Mickey is like my brother, and we've also been traveling for so long together. It's so beautiful. But I'd say Happy Days is an album which is very very dear to me.
Can you sing a song from that?
Sure, sure. పాదమెటు పోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా అడుగు తడబడుతున్నా తోడురానా చిన్ని ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా గుండె ప్రతిలయలోనా నేను లేనా ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా వెంట నడిచే నీడ నీవే ఓ మై ఫ్రెండ్ తడి కన్నులని తుడిచిన నేస్తమా ఓ మై ఫ్రెండ్ ఒడిదుడుకులలో నిలిచిన స్నేహమా.
బ్యూటిఫుల్ అది. మీరు అదే సినిమాలో పాడినట్టు పాడడమే కాకుండా యూ ఆల్సో రిమెంబర్ ద లిరిక్. యూర్ నాట్ మీరు చెక్ కూడా చేయట్లేదు. మీరు లిరిక్ పాడేస్తున్నారు
Yeah,
చక్కగా.
this is all I do. They're all. It's not like I have
It's
2,000.
not easy being a Tamilian and being singing in so many languages. It's wonderful and amazing to see,
Lucky. I think I just have that chip in my head, which is okay, which kind of helps me.
which is awesome. So Karthik would have been in a corporate world if not for singing.
Yeah,
Is
I would have been in the corporate world.
that's what I got from one of your interviews.
Yeah, I would have probably been in the US and trying to take part in all the music competitions and and absolutely frustrated musician. Yeah, frustrated corporate guy, not having made it in life. Yeah, yeah. And
And we are so thankful to God that that
thank
didn't.
God, I have to thank him much more than you can just imagine. Yeah.
సో మీరు ఇంకొక పాట అడగాలనుకున్నాను నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఇందాక when you were singing Happy Days song, that's wonderful song అది. Whenever we hear that song, especially me personally, whenever I hear it, unintentionally some tears
And
come.
it really works, you know. Even I mean, I'm saying 3 4 months back, I performed in a college in Kerala in Palakkad.
Mm.
Uh, oh my God! I think there were about 7 8,000 students, and you know it's in Kerala, and then I'm doing Hindi, Telugu, my Malayalam songs, and all that. And out of nowhere, I plug in "Oh My Friend." I am not exaggerating. I mean, I saw about 5,000 cell phones up with the light, and it was so beautiful. I think I even put on my Insta that particular thing. It was that's the I think that's the power of this song.
And that's
It's an
about
anthem for a lot of us, right? Yeah.
it is for sure. So Orange movie lo, if I'm
Chili
not wrong, Chilipiga Chustavala. Can we hear few lines, please?
Sure. చిలిపిగా చూస్తావలా పెనవేస్తావిలా నిన్నే ఆపేదెలా చివరికి నువ్వే అలా పెనవేస్తావలా నీతో వేగేదెలా ఓ ప్రేమ కన్నుల్లో వాలే రోజు ఎంతో బాగుందని కల కొన్నాళ్ళే అందంగా ఊరిస్తోంది ఆపై చేదెక్కుతోందిలా కడదాకా ప్రేమించే దారేదో పోచేదేలా.
Awesome, awesome. I'm just
Thank you.
going somewhere into another world. It's beautiful to hear you. So Karthik, tell me something. I know you said that you're learning in the last couple of days. You're learning some things that you always wanted to, which
This
is
month. Yeah.
awesome. That is. So Miru, what is it that you want to do in the next couple of years? Like, where do you want to see yourself? Karthik did so much, right? You have had a beautiful journey.
The thing is, it's sorry to cut you short, but that's the thing, right? I feel strangely, I feel so fresh, like I've not done anything so far. You know, I can't explain that feeling, but I feel like an absolute beginner who's just jumped into this world of music. And I'm not trying to sound fancy, but this is exactly how I feel. I'm not mincing my words. Uh, I don't know. I feel like I've not done anything. You know, what have I done? I've just, you know, if you look at it, so many beautiful composers in the last, I'd say, 18, 19 years, whenever they created beautiful songs, they thought of me. I got lucky. So all I had to do was just go, just take the delicious food, eat, and come back. You know, and that's all I have, right? So what have I done? Well, I haven't done much. That's exactly how I feel. So there's so much to explore.
Are you going to compose music for
Yeah, I'm
film?
already composing. So I right now, as we speak, I'm scoring music for the next film for Gautam Menon. Uh,
Wow, looking forward.
Thank you. It's called Joshua, and we've also released one song in Tamil. You guys should listen to it. It's called Hey Love. It's in Tamil, but nevertheless, please
Okay,
do
yeah,
listen.
we will listen. Yeah. So to all the
There's a
viewers,
good chance.
Joshua.
Yeah, Joshua is the film's name. The song is called Hey Love,
Okay.
and yes, so there is a chance we'd probably do it in Telugu as well soon, once all this clears out. But however, do listen to it. When
We will surely we will listen to it.
it's got some English lines as well, so it's a fun song. Yeah, it's a
Okay,
treat.
that is wonderful. So do you we've we've known that మీరు film music మాత్రమే కాకుండా you also collaborate with other singers, other kind of musicians, like different flavors, Western and all that. So can you tell us something about it? What are your thoughts? Why do you choose to do that?
So for me, I don't like to confine myself to a particular zone as a musician. So I don't want to be called a playback singer. I don't want to be called a fusion musician or a Carnatic musician or a Hindustani vocalist or one of those things. I am. I see myself as a little bit of everything, and so I'm like on proper. They say avial in Kerala. There's a dish called avial.
Yeah, we know. We know, yeah.
Probably an avial. This everything in it. All the vegetables are there, and I love life like that. And to me, music is just a means of expressing what I feel. So I could express it as a playback singer, as a composer, as a performer, through classical, through playing the piano, or just I don't know what. It could be anything. I like the fact that I don't belong to anything, but I'm a part of everything. I like that.
That's beautiful.
Therefore, to answer your question, so I do multiple things. I'm a part of a fusion band called Arka with some absolutely renowned musicians like Selva Ganesh, Anna, who plays for Shakti. We've got Gino Banks, and I mean the who's who of the fusion scene in India. And then I have my fusion band, and then my
Have you known
film,
band, yeah?
yeah, and
Yeah.
my film rock band, and then and then I collaborate with other people too, unplugged, whatever. Yeah. So for me, it's I like it when every day is different. So yeah.
What's the one style in music that you haven't explored? Have you done a ghazal ever
So
like that?
there's so many things I haven't explored. Honestly, there is
Really?
so much, and the more you learn, the more you realize that the lesser you know, right? So there's so much I haven't explored. I am just not even. I'm just scratching the surface, like I said, which is far from exploring and all that. I'm just enjoying the journey. To me, the destination is not important. To me, the journey is absolutely important. I believe in it, and so the journey right now is to learn and to like if it's composing, compose. Uh, it's not about where these things are going to go. That's it. So yeah, a lot more to.
All these answers that you're giving, right? It is kind of defining what or why the way you are, whatever you are, why are you that way? It's very beautiful to hear all this. So who is your మీకు బాగా చాలా ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ సింగర్ ఎవరు ఫిల్మ్ మ్యూజిక్
So
can be
so
from any language.
yeah, so I can't pin down to my favorite composer, my favorite singer, my favorite musician. The reason being,
ఒక గాడ్ లాగా ఉంటారు కదా ఒక గురు or that.
yeah, so I've said this in my interviews before. I always look up to three people for three different things. If you really want me to shortlist it, the list is actually long, but one is SPB Garu, uh, because I think he's a quintessential playback singer. You can just call him for any song, he'll make
Yeah,
sure he delivers. You
yeah.
know, and not many people in this country can do that. So
Maybe for
SPB
many,
Garu,
there's any specific genre. Okay, how has anybody done this before? Then maybe there is one case study already done by Balugaru.
yeah. So he's just sung all kinds of songs, and he's made all kinds of songs work. And, he's given life to all kinds of songs. So I would say if anybody wants to model themselves, after somebody to become a playback singer, just 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 follow SPB Garu, and you learn a lot. You learn enough to survive for a lifetime.
True, true.
And the next I would say is Shankar Mahadevan, sir, for live performance. I mean,
He's a
I get a lot of
power
appreciation.
bank. He's just
According to me, he kind of redefined what live singing is to me,
yeah.
personally. And the third is Hariharan, sir. If you want to just talk about
Um,
the sheer beauty of what he could do with a great voice, right? And I mean, he can floor people with nothing but just singing. Singing in a room.
just his point.
I've
Yes.
heard the, yeah, it is incredible.
Oh yeah,
So to
yeah.
me, three pillars for different aspects. Why I adore them. I'm always inspired by them.
Very well said. Very well. Okay. So I know you have very limited time, so I will wind up soon. Just few requests, if you don't mind. Can you sing
Sure,
one Rahman sir's song, one Haris Jairaj song, and one DSP song?
sure, sure, sure. Uh, Rahman sir's what do I do? I'll do EMI Chase Highway.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please.
Yeah, okay. Uh, mm, విన్నావే వేల వీణల సంతోషాల సంకీర్తనలు నా గుండెల్లో ఇప్పుడే వింటున్నా తొలిసారి నీ మాటల్లో పులకింతలా పదనిసలు విన్నా చాలు చాలే చెలియా చెలియా బతికుండగాని పిలుపులు నేనున్నా ఓ బతికుండగాని పిలుపులు నేనున్నా.
Wow.
And Harris Saurya ఒక మారు కలిసిన అందం అలలాగా ఎగిసిన కాలం కంటికెదురుగా కనబడగానే అంతే తడబడిననే.
Beautiful, beautiful. One
Thank you.
DSP.
DSP, of course, there's so many.
It's so many, I know.
I don't know which one to pick. But actually, I like this song, which I did do this. I did it really, really long back. వాలు కళ్ళ వయ్యారి
Wow.
తేనె కళ్ళ సింగారి నా గుండెలోకి దూరి మనసులోకి జారి చంపినవి కావేరి హో బూరె బుక్క బంగారి చాప కళ్ళ చిన్నారి బొంగ ముత్తి మూరి నంగన చిన్నారి లవ్ సెయ్యి ఓసారి నిన్న చూసినాక ఏమైంద పోరి వింట వింటగుంటోంది ఏమిటో ఈ స్టోరీ నిన్ను కనబడకుంటే తోచదే కుమారి తారరాన ఎగిరోస్ తేసాని దప మగరి. I love
Love
this
this
song.
song. It's a beautiful song. Very, very nice. Okay, thank you, Karthik. So,
I should do one of Manigaru and one of Rajagaru because
yeah,
both
oh
are-
yeah, yeah.
but
The
all
more
the
we are more
solid.
happy.
Yeah. Let's do one of
Yeah.
Rajagaru's. Let me do O Papa Lali from Geetanjali.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
నా జోలలో లీలగా ఉండాలని కోరనా గుండెనే కోరిక నీ సవ్వడే సన్నగా ఉండాలని. Oh yeah, I mixed up the words. Let me just Google. One second.
Correct గానే పాడారు. You sang
No,
it.
no, I think I mixed it up. One second. Yeah. Shall I?
Yeah, please.
నా జోలలా లీలగా తాకాలని గాలినే కోరనా జాలిగా నీ సవ్వడే సన్నగా ఉండాలని కోరనా గుండెనే కోరిక కలలారని పసిపాప తలవాచిన ఒడిలో తడి నీడలు పడనీకే ఈ దేవత గుడిలో చిరు చేపల కను పాపలకిది నా మనవి ఓ పాపాలాలి జన్మకే లాలి ప్రేమకే లాలి పాడనా తీయగా ఓ పాపాలాలి.
This song, this is a
Bharat
beautiful,
song, right?
beautiful composition, and it just touches your heart.
Absolutely. Okay, one last song, Manigaru. Yeah. Manigaru, so many other, yeah. చూడొద్దంటున్నా చూస్తూనే ఉంటా నా కోసం ఇంతందంగా పుట్టావనుకుంటా వచ్చేవా వచ్చేవా ఒట్టెట్టి నిన్ను పిలవాలా వచ్చేవా 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 గడియో 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 నువ్వే కావాలి
Wow, beautiful song.
ఇంకా yeah.
It's a beautiful song. So, Karthik, can you sing one Hindi song for us?
Sure. Let me do the one I've done from the film Ghajni
Yeah,
song.
yeah.
बहका मैं बहका वो बहकी हवा सी आए एक ही नजर में सब मंजिल मंजिल पाए हटके अलग सी थी वो बिल्कुल जुदा सी ना ही अदाए ना कोई अंगड़ाए बहका बहका मैं बहका बहका मैं का ये मन है मैं का.
Nice, beautiful. Thank you. So, do you have any concluding words? So, how do you see this whole current situation, and do you have any concluding words based on this to our viewer?
ఏంటంటే it's I think uh, I've said this before. I think 1 year later, I think all of us should be proud of the way we've handled this, and I think we should handle it responsibly and then come out of it, successfully. I think we will, and the fact that we're all one big family is the biggest reinforcement for all of us. There's no caste, there's no creed, there's nothing. We're all human beings, a little speck on this planet, and
I think that's what this situation reminds humanity one more time.
big family. We're all just trying to do a little bit to try and survive and be happy here. So I think let's just take care of each other, take care of ourselves, and then give as much love as we can, and come out of it and be proud of ourselves 1 year later. I think that's what it is.
That is so nicely. I cannot let you go without our anthem. And whenever we see you, that song cannot just leave us. That's why I was saving it to the end from Vana.
Oh, okay, sure. Oh, thank you. Thanks. ఎదుట నిలిచింది చూడు జలతారు వెన్నెలేమో ఎదను తడిపింది నేడు శినుకంటి చిన్నదేమో మై మరచిపోయా మాయలో ప్రాణమంత మీటుతుంటే వానవీణలా ఎదుట నిలిచింది
Every time you sing this, you create the same magic. I don't know how you do this. I have no words to tell you how I feel about the song, and I'm sure many of my listeners, the viewers that will be watching this, because this is a recorded show, they will be cursing me that this was not live. But thank you so much, Karthik. I had
Thank you so much. And once again, thank you, listeners of Surabhi. And all of you, stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you guys soon.
Yeah, we will soon connect, and we wish you all the very best in your new ventures, and just continue to be amazing. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thanks.